Here I have OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button portable hotspot, personal hotspot I mean. So by tapping it once you can switch it. By going to more, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can display QR code to connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its name, password. You can also change its security protocol, AP band. You can also set your hotspot to be hidden. You can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. You can use it for Bluetooth tethering. You can use it for USB tethering or Ethernet tethering. And you can also manage connected devices, like you can add them to block list, you can set up maximum amount of connections, and you can set up data usage limit. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.